Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a 3D pie chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see I have created this nice pie chart, a 3D pie chart, which shows the budget of specific project as a share of the total budget for all of our project. So this is a really useful chart type, and how you can do this, it's really easy to do, so let me delete it. So first you have to create a data set you want to show in a specific 3D pie chart. Then once you have the data set, just click on Insert here in the menu bar, and you're going to be able to click on Chart here. And by default it will create a regular chart, so pie chart, not a 3D pie chart. But in that case what you have to do is change the chart type, which is here. So click on pie chart here, and instead we have to select 3D pie chart. And then we can go and customize the chart even more, change the colors, the axes, the titles, the legends, and many more options we have here. But all in all, this is how you can make a 3D pie chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.